Yawning may sound kind of weird, but scientists have found that yawning is a very powerful meditation technique because it relaxes and cools down the brain. It stimulates alertness and concentration, and also enhances pleasure. Lots of professional athletes swear by it. It's quick and easy to do. It's definitely worth a try. Since most people are used to yawning spontaneously, it may feel a bit strange to force a yawn. However, doctors have found that if you go through the motions and intentionally yawn, in other words, faking it, about 10 times, you often begin to yawn spontaneously after the sixth yawn. Some people have found it helpful to yawn in front of a mirror. Let's give it a try. How did that feel? Did it help you slow down? Just remember, like all new skills, you'll get better at it with practice.